President Trump disruption 313. When we have VAT 21% in Europe, and America now wants to invent another tariff, PTT, President Trump tariff, yes, it's PT, yes, then we are really facing barriers to economic freedom. If we have a president that really defends economic freedom, and within Europe, we Europeans pay these 21%. Now Americans will pay another, let's say, 21%. Question is, why don't we, instead of setting new tariffs and eliminating economic freedom, generating barriers to trade? We have seen how stocks have fallen 40, 50%. If I am Amazon, do I need to put a tariff here or not? If I am a consumer, do I need to see how much is this tariff? Do I rather buy American product or foreign product? Now, within Europe and America, we manage 50% of world trade. Yes. Now, everybody is looking at China, at India, at many other different countries. But how about President Trump if we look for and after Americans? How about the 26 chickens with no head in Europe look after Europeans? Yes, because you do have kids, don't you, and the husband and parents. Well, they should be ashamed because they pay 21% VAT. So why don't we just do it very simple? Eliminate VAT in Europe. There will be zero tax for European products in America and vice versa. So if I sell an Apple phone, in Europe, it will have no VAT. Then perhaps I can sell 21% more telephones from America. And the same thing here. If I sell whatever within USA, perhaps I can sell 21% more. Then we, citizens in Europe, pay this VAT. Americans will pay 21% of this or that product. Now, why don't we focus in this 50% world trade and make free economic freedom? Stop VAT now, please, Europeans. Come on, go and cut that because your kids are going to pay this for perpetuity. Why not stop this and then have zero barriers between USA and America? Why? Because we manage 50% tiki-taka. We are the meeting point of the world economy. So let's focus in our economic freedom, please. Thank you. Bye.